Well, today's recipe is one of those most amazing recipes that you actually see in a restaurant menu, but sometimes we kind of get intimidated to replicate this in our home kitchens. This one is Malai Matar mushroom. Any other I'm left? Methi. So methi, mushroom, matar, malai. Let's begin. Let's first make a paste with raw onions. To this, I'm going to add in cashew nuts, whole green chilies, 3-4 of them, because of course we want this to be spicy as well. A couple of green cardamoms, cumin seeds, paste of ginger and garlic, and finally to this, powdered garam masala. Let's grind this into a fine and smooth paste. Let's turn the flame on and add in some oil. Of course, you can also begin with ghee or butter. I prefer oil. Let's add in the ground spice paste while the oil is still just about warm. Do not add this in hot oil, otherwise this will splutter all over the kitchen. Let's stir this well. Lower the flame and allow this to cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. Intermittently, of course, you can also keep stirring, ensuring that this does not burn at the sides and the bottom of the pan. All we need to ensure is that the onions and the other ingredients are cooked perfectly without any raw flavor, taste or aroma. If you see at this stage, it's released its wonderful green chili oil. Let's add in our vegetables and other ingredients. Let's begin with garden peas, fresh frozen, choice is completely yours. Mushrooms, halved or quartered depending on the size. And finally, fresh fenugreek leaves. Again, by all means, you could use kasuri methi if that's the only option. Time to add in a cup full of water to ensure that all of this starts cooking well, and of course it also adjusts the consistency. Now, because this recipe has cashew nuts, you may want to add in a little more of the water, because by the time this cooks, it'll be perfect. To this, to add into that extra creaminess, I'm adding in cream, salt right towards the end, depending on how much actually is really needed. One quick stir and allow this to cook on medium to low flame. After adding in all the ingredients, all we do is bring all of this together, mix this nicely, cover this and keep it on medium flame for at least 12 minutes for everything to cook perfectly and become almost a mixture that's tasty. Imagine all the M's coming together. Malai, methi, matar, mushroom. What else do you need? Maybe a Malabari paratha? Enjoy. Bye for now.